Hi, welcome back to Bootleg Garage. I have an Edsel key. The flusher's right here. Yeah.
Might be a little bit hard
I
to see.
don't quite see the toilet seat. I mean, if somebody is really narrow, yeah, you'd have to have a narrow butt. This looks more like something you'd put over an ox and make a move. Anywho, have a new friend that brought over, and we're going to do a few things on it. I'm going to put an oil pressure gauge on, and it's one of those manual ones, and it's leaking, so I'll clean that up, pull it out, fix it so it doesn't leak. We're putting rear shackles because it kind of leaks. You can't tell because our ground is, I mean, it probably looks worse than in real life. Right now, because it's late, I'm gonna put it in over under a cover over here. And not only the oil in it, the shackles in the back, the shifter, well, it has all these levers and rods. I'm pretty sure nobody's been, making them lubed. So apparently, which part do you say? Neutral and reverse have a problem, or?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I were to have it in drive right now, when I start it wants to go. But we'll have to see what that is. I'm thinking mostly lube. That rod just didn't want to move. We'll see if something's worn out. And there is one other thing.
Wrap.
The what?
Wrap.
Oh, wrap the exhaust. Which I said, no, I don't want to wrap your exhaust. Hey, what a surprise. We only got 3 of your things done. But they're little things, you know me. I'll do little things like the hood latch. Of course, she has good timing. I'm going to actually slide over so you can close it normal. Instead of having to push the little rod. It's on a little slot. I'm just going to do that because I'll be under this hood a few times myself. You may have noticed in our videos where I go off camera, it's because my brother doesn't look at the camera when he's doing stuff. Alright, let me turn it on.
Let me stand back
like Chuck's
just
idea.
in case.
No, it's been sitting in my driveway for 30 years and this first start. No. I think he used this daily driver. We actually didn't want to see it so ugly, so we actually took a California Duster to it. Just the hood and the trunk. And the windshield, because I wanted to see out in the back end. Okay.
Yeah, this should be good. I'm going to stand way over here. Just in case it goes into... There we go. Nope, fail. Everything shakes on me. There we go. Sorry for the sun glare. Get you guys over here. Hope you guys could see this. He's going to take it around the block real quick, see how maybe after he takes the parking brake off. It's been a little while since he's driven a Yeah, this car's got some issues. hear that? That creaking didn't sound too good. And looks like the hood
Okay,
popped up.
what it is, oh, he didn't close it all the way. Here's the hood latch you can let go. And he didn't close it all the way out. Reclose it. Okay, reverse and park. Literally, when I had to back up, I had to put in park. So, yeah, there's a linkage problem. And apparently it didn't do it all the time. I guess just recently that started happening.
How many miles are on this?
46,500. Look at that. 46,500. The cool part is this spins. This moves. You know, like
When you
a
drive.
little spin. It's pretty cool. They did a really nice job. Hey, antique classic car. And he still uses... Yep. He actually smokes it. So you don't get that antique classic car. Although he did do a Domino's pizza thing in here. You might have that smell in here. Not like my car. More like my wiper motor I got when I opened up the bag. Antique classic car. You know, it's pretty cool. I don't know. There's something in the chemicals they used back then. But just that little moving around told me a lot. So I know what to look for when I look at the linkage. It's interesting. This is the other part, and he's not paying for it. I just want to do it because, see, it's slotted. This just needs to be moved back just a little bit. It's the safety latch for the hood so it doesn't just spring open in front of you. And he apparently didn't think to move it. That's fine. We'll move it back. So, because this happens. See, it'll stop. So you got to move it. And then, in the middle, shut it. Now it's all locked. All good. All the critters out. Everything's good. I did not want to leave this out in the public area because I'm still finishing up the little things on the glove box. Then we'll show you what it looks like. So what do you think? It kind of looks pretty. Even though they were a failure. But then again, it's not a Chevy Aztec. And it is comfortable. Drives smooth. For all these years. What do you say, 57 they built this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, when we get to the getting on this one, we'll probably do another video.
It'll probably be 2 weeks from now. We'll start doing videos on this one.
Yep. But we're not going to take 2 weeks. I'm going to be as quick as I can on it. Because I got to get stuff done on the Hudson. So until then, we'll catch you next time on Bootleg Garage.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.